Hey there, it's great to see you taking the first steps towards financial freedom. Filing for Chapter 7 bankruptcy can be a lifesaver, but it comes with strings attached. So let's dive into the 5 crucial restrictions you must avoid after filing. First up, avoid new debt. I know, it's tempting to get that shiny new credit card, but taking on new debts can really mess with your financial recovery. Think of it as a chance to wipe the slate clean, not to pile more on. Next, surrender non-exempt assets. This means if you have a second car or luxury items, you may need to say goodbye. These can be sold off to repay your creditors. It's a tough pill to swallow, but it's part of the process. Now this one's specific to Maryland. You've got to complete a financial management class if you want your debts discharged. It's not just a box to tick, it's a chance to learn how to manage your money better and avoid landing back in the same spot. Number 4, pause lawsuits. Filing for bankruptcy halts most legal actions against you. It's like hitting the pause button until your case is resolved. But remember, not all debts are off the hook. Child support, alimony, and most student loans still need to be paid. Finally, no fraudulent transfers. Don't try to transfer assets to a friend or family member to avoid losing them. That's considered fraud, and it can seriously complicate your case. Some additional tips: commit to the process. Dismissing your case after filing can get really complicated. And if you need to make changes to your filing, you'll need court approval. Remember to list all your debts, because unlisted ones remain your responsibility. And no reckless spending. Bankruptcy is not an escape from managing your finances responsibly. Focus on rebuilding your credit, creating a budget, and sticking to court rules. Always consult a bankruptcy attorney for advice tailored to Maryland laws. You've got this. Stay committed, and you'll be on your way to a fresh financial start.